Hi, good morning, yeah. All red, red. The Kartika Purnam is going to come. So, what we have to do? How to do diya with the atta. That only everybody will say very special. Okay, come on. I'll show you how to do it and do. Okay, come. See, yeah. Now we have taken this is a whole wheat atta only. And we can take the rice also, rice flour also we can take. But I am using only this is a whole wheat atta. Just carefully, don't make very lassi type. This it should become little hard one, okay? But in here we always say like sambar. Don't make it like sambar, but a little bit hard you have to make because we are making the diyas, okay? Even I am also very scared, yeah, because that's what I'm using, very little water. Yeah, now the consistency perfect. Now we have to do it properly now. Little bit, 1-2 drops only, just, yeah, wipe me. Properly winding it like this, and the dough should be very soft, otherwise it won't come nicely. Yeah, now nicely you have to do, okay? See, the dough is ready now. You have to keep it at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then see, now 10 minutes is over, but already I kept it one diya. See this one, because I'll make always only desi style only. Nowadays they'll make it with the color and all, but I don't like all that. But maybe I'll put it one kumkum also. I'll go down and I'll put it. This much you can take, just measure it, okay? Always I'm telling like this. Make it nice unda, round, okay? Now do like this. Little bit oil also if necessary, otherwise not require at all. When you are doing properly, then not necessary. See how it comes. Then take one. Yeah, I am using this one only because I don't have any this thing. So see like this, deeper, deep. This is like artwork only, yeah. Little bit you have to do properly and press it inside also. See. When we are small, my mother used to tell, Kartika Purnami is going to come. Then we used to make the toranams and all these diyas. At least 2 diyas we have to do it. You want some design properly, then you have to do like this only. Gij, it won't come. So now you want to more deep like this, press it inside and make it here one shape, like this. Like this also you can make it here like this, like this one design. My mother used to scream at me, hey, enough now, your designs and all, enough, come on, now we have to make like this. So again like this also, see. That time we don't have any entertainment, yeah. So no phone, nothing. So what all this work only, artwork only we used to do. And mothers used to tell us, do it properly, all these diyas and all, we learn like that only. Now nobody is doing, but I like to do, yeah, because Kartika Purnami and all, they will tell you, the girls, young girls will do, they'll get good husband. And after marriage, they are doing for the kids and all, they will do. I think so. I don't know because I didn't even ask my mother. Now you people can tell me all these things. You can see in the internet and you can comment box, you can write it and tell me. I will also know that all these stories. Now you people can see this one like this also, and this is one desi type, and this is also desi only, not so fancy, but even I am telling you. Come on, yeah, over. Okay, come, we'll do it there. See, we have to make like this cotton wick, like this only, 2 only we have to, but one also it's okay, because again next time I'll show you how to make the wicks, this one only. This is a cotton, I'll kept it here, I'll make it. Now you have to take like this and put little of, hey, what are you biting all these things here, because I'm sitting in the garden, no? So like this only. Sometimes my mother used to make this a little bit bindi like this only, this color, like this. So again you have to keep it in this like this, okay, dip it in the ghee. This is a god ghee only, just dip it like this and put it like this. See, I'll show you that one also. Again, one more. Already I kept it like this here. Yeah, because there you have to take a lot of time to make all these things. So short, how can I make it and show you people? See, see, and this one also, what is, banana stem. This is my home garden banana, all that. And every time we'll keep it the diyas in the near tulsi. I told that it's not there. So amla, now we'll do it fully. This I forgot to bring. Now I can do like this also, 2 in 1 use. Again I can make the wicks like this. So see, totally, my god, I can't. Yeah, I'll keep it here 1 minute. I'll do it here. Yes, I did it. See, yeah, like this only they will do in the, not even Kartika Paurnami. This is the Kartika month, full whole month they will do puja. But just I am showing you how to do it. See, yeah, this one only. Again, a full wind is coming. No, it's not possible because we are staying near beach, na. Yeah. And we'll put the bindi also here a little bit. Yeah, see this one. Actually, see, this is the wooden one, and I'm using this one, banana stem, in my house. So they will do every Kartika Masam, full month they will use, but now only I'm using for the Kartika Paurnami is going to come. Now you people can try and let me know, enjoy this moment. This is very, very important for the kids and elders also. That's it, yeah. Every moment you have to enjoy, see all this, my shop. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.